Hello, folks. Today we're going to talk about AI basics for small business owners. AI is the talk of the town right now, right? She's the belle of the ball. Everybody's talking about AI and how to leverage it. But a lot of us are scared by it. So let's just review some basics. So, what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it refers to machines or software mimicking human intelligence. AI tools can analyze data, make decisions, as well as automate tasks. You're already probably using AI, right? Email spam filters, right? Chatbots. Even when you're texting, the predictiveness of it, right? That's AI. So we're already using AI. Well, why should you care? Well, AI can actually save you time. It can automate repetitive tasks. It can improve your efficiency and help you make faster decisions. It can enhance marketing, okay? Smarter targeting and content. And you may get better customer service, right? If you have 24-hour support with AI tools. Some examples of AI tools for small businesses. So ChatGPT, Copilot, Grok, right? You could use it for writing, customer replies, or even research. You can use Canva, right? Which does auto-generating marketing graphics. QuickBooks AI, so that would be for bookkeeping. Grammarly, so it's a writing assistant. And Mailchimp, it's an email marketing program, right? So these are just some examples that you can use, and you may already be using these. So how can you use AI in your business? Well, perhaps it helps you develop content, write blogs, social media posts. Maybe it helps you with customer service with a chatbot or some FAQs, frequently asked questions. Maybe it helps you with admin tasks like invoicing, scheduling, or bookkeeping. And maybe even with marketing, right? It does some ad copy, some newsletters, and some search engine optimization. So it can help you. But like all things, right, there are risks and considerations. So with AI, it's absolutely crucial you check the accuracy of the information. You don't want to just plug in a task or a prompt for AI, you grab it, copy and paste it, and then you use it as yours. Make sure it makes sense and it's accurate. Right? You also want to avoid sharing private information or confidential information on that. Because once you put information into AI, right, it becomes part of the public domain, unless it's a private function. AI, like all of us, has bias, right? It reflects what humans have put into it, right? So it does have bias. So it's not perfect. It's not all-knowing, okay? So you have to check with that. And it's important that we don't over-rely on it. Right? It could be used as a support and as a tool, but it's not meant to replace you or your business. Getting started with AI, maybe you start small, just pick one task to automate. Maybe you try some free tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, or Canva. And you learn as you go. As much as AI is in development, so is our learning about AI, right? And then keep your business goals in mind. Why do you want to use AI? What's the purpose for you and your business? Okay, some resources. Here you can use Canva, ChatGPT, HubSpot, and BDC has a good guide on business AI for small business that you're welcome to look through. Some final thoughts. AI can be an ally. It doesn't have to be a threat. Okay. Start with low risk, repetitive tasks just to get them out of your way. Keep your values and your brand voice at the very center of everything. And it's okay to experiment and learn. Right? But proceed as cautiously as you feel comfortable with. Thank you, everyone, for attending our webinar. We do appreciate your attendance. A big thanks to TD Bank for their support for our Fresh program. Thank you. And thank you, folks, for attending our webinar.